Welcome back, guys. I'm back with the new Dwellers from Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So I know everyone want to download this, but you can download because I post how to download this. So this is all the mods we're gonna part today on this video, which we can go to the end, which they have a different. So let let me build at the end for you guys. Well, yeah. So we're gonna fight them every single time, and we got the end, and that's all that the end of the monster was. So let's make a the end portal, which the end of Minecraft. That's how we gonna do it. And next we got this, which boom 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 boom. We got this is all the mod we gonna use and fight them back with a different mod. First thing first, let's spawn the mimic villager. I know, I can see his life. Sometimes I destroy some houses of villager and stole their own items. Where's that guy? I don't see right there, right? Can I spawn him? Or where's he go? Where's that guy go, bro? Yo. What? I'm not spawn you, bro. Oh my god. Turn nighttime still. How you get here? God, that's jump scare. You know what? It's time to fight you. Yeah. It's not doing anything. So the one who watching, the same guy who I see. So let's fight this bad boy. No. Oh my god, how much are you? Oh, you're so weak. You're so weak. You're so weak. No, no, you can't kill me, right? Nuh-uh. Where's that guy? Oh my god. How close is this guy right now? Shut up, bro. Shut up. Where are you? What is this? Oh my god, how hard this is. Let me turn to daytime. It's the hard. Let me turn the most strongest method. Let me turn this. So I can one hit this guy. Where are you? Oh my god, that's so hard. Oh, we got the bone. Yeah, the sun's kinda cool. So this is all the eggs. So we have to fight this guy. We are end with this guy. We kill that guy. Thank you. And then this guy. Thank you. So we have to kill every single mod are here. Okay? The one who watching already. He's so ugly. Whoa! I'm done with today. I'm done. So this guy is the one who's stalking you forever. Oh my god, how fast are you? Oh. He got his own head. We have a head. So we have to beat that guy. Now we have the final, sign. Oh my god, let me make a sound so he can hear me. This is the best part we can do. He's following me. Ooh. So let me see. No. Oh, I know this one. So this guy can destroy some blocks too. Oh, so there's a different. This one is from the overworld, and this one different because it's so this one is from the end. Let's park the see. You have to die, bro. You're in my nightmares right now. Because this guy, when I play this mode and I sleep at night time, this break my bed, bro. I hate this guy. Not you, then. Hey, that sounds so disgusting. So this guy, don't tell me this another. Oh, so let me get my just first. Yeah. So there's a different about these mods. So the we beat is what? Why didn't we keep fighting them? Let me put here so we can see they did. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. Sometimes if you die, they're just gone, vanished. Wait, that sounds. Who make that sound? That guy's dead. So we got to get the most mod. So the trading villager, never beat that guy. Wait, did we get this mod right now? So we have this mod, right? The man from the pub, got that. What am I missing right now? I'm so confused. We got the cave dweller, which is kind of pretty good. So we have to kill this bad boy up. We have, yep.
I shouldn't have said that.
Yo, that one go. Oh my god! How did you spawn? What? You dead, bro. How that kid spawn? What is that? Got the dweller reached. This, oh my god. So ugly. You know? You can't fight me, right? What's wrong with you, bro? So weak because I the man from the pub. Oh, I hate that sounds. Oh, nah. No! This the best dueler on the pub. So there's chance of the man from the pub can spawn this witch. This is all mods you can fight. You have to destroy every single of them. No, go away. So this is all mods that we not beat. No thanks. So first thing first, let's go to the this. Okay, so this is all the different from here, huh? So I'm gonna show what kind of mod are different here. If we are, right? So the one who watching can climb. The man from the pug, I don't know. Then the one who watching can climb. Or sometimes not. I don't know. Bro, let me think. The one who watching just keeps stalking you. The man from the pub make a noise which you have to come close with him. Where am I? What the? Oh. We are on the bedrock. That's so bad. What? No way we can spawn here. There's no way. What is this thing? Oh, this can spawn, no way. Oh, it's gonna spawn on lava. No, we spawn on lava. That was insane. So we got the cave dweller, which... What kind of different are you? Yo, that's sick. Oh, why are you running? In the cave? I'm so sorry, bro. So the one who watching can change too? Spawn, bro. The one who watching? Oh my god. So ugly. The one who watching. Let me search for another. So this is all the another was, so the end is all this, guys. So which we gonna go to the end, or I mean, yep. Yo, this mod so cool, but sometimes it's so ugly because of sounds doing like that. At the same time, I'm going back home. I'm tired. Yo. Whoa. We back. We are back. What? What? Are you joking me right now, bro? So we have to spawn the cave dweller, Siren Head, the man from the pug, and even the unsea. Good question. Can this guy can flow? I mean, they can do
Doesn't look normal.
what? How you get here, bro?
This costume is way tricky.
Yo, there's a dragon right now. Bro, I'm so sorry, bro. So we have this spawn, the one who watching, the man from the pug, the cave dweller, and even the unsea and Siren Head. So what is the man from the pug? That sounds again, I hate that sound. Oh, you see. No, you look cool, bro. my god, you're so cool, bro. How you get that spike? That's so cool. And see? You look so dumb. So sometimes cyanide is a mimic too, because it can make every sounds. So the cave dweller. Yo, you look sick. Oh my god. Cyanide walks slowly, bro. That's so slow. Yo, don't go. You're dead. Good. So when now you're making a sound of these blocks, huh? So hear me out. Can all dwellers can beat the most strongest mod, the warden. Which the strong one? Oh, that guy. Yo, you have both. That's so disgusting. Yo, make a noise. Make a noise, I know. We just the same one. So dumb. No, I know. Watch out. What? No way. She destroyed that thing. No, bro. No. Where are you going, bro? Where's that kid going? So I want to make sure if this guy can grow at the same time. So that's why I am here to make this. Tada! We have it already. So maybe we can make that. Oh, I didn't never realize this stupid items go away, bros. Or even the egg I throw, but it's okay, bro. It's time to untie you. So we gonna make sure if they can grow at the same time. So we can put in the so can keep dwell can grow at the same time. Yo, that's sick. If this guy can grow, that's so cool. Just teleport away again. That's so dumb. That's so disgusting. He's gone. Did I see him? The one who watching you can curve. Yo, ano yung pag-can curve? Ano yun, bro? Run. Go. Yo. The cave door is running. He's so stupid, bro. Go. Make sure we alive. Oh, nigga. Oh, it's fun. So guys, so that's all. So goodbye.